Verb tenses are a very important part of the English language. They are like a time machine for your words. They tell us when an action happens. Does it happen now? Every day? In general? Did it happen yesterday? Last week? Many years ago? Will it happen tomorrow? Next month? In the distant future? Without tenses, our sentences would be very confusing. Imagine saying, I go to the park. We do not know if you are going now, if you went yesterday, or if you plan to go tomorrow. Tenses give our communication clarity and precision. Think of tenses as the grammar tool that puts everything in order. When you master verb tenses, you gain the power to express your thoughts accurately. This guide will make learning tenses simple. We will break each tense into small, manageable parts. The simple present tense is one of the most common tenses in English. We use it for several important situations. Facts that are always true. The sun rises in the east. Habits and routines. I drink coffee every morning. Actions we do regularly. To form the simple present, we use the base form of the verb. For he/she/it, we add s or es to the verb, I walk, but she walks. Next, the simple past tense. Used for actions that started and finished at a specific time in the past. For instance, I visited my grandparents last weekend. To form the simple past for regular verbs, we add ed, walk, walked. Many common verbs are irregular: go, went, eat, ate. Now, the simple future tense. Most common form, will plus base verb. For example, I will call you later. This is the same for all subjects. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Another future form, be going to, used for plans made before speaking. We are going to watch a movie tonight. In summary, simple present describes habits, simple past shares experiences, simple future talks about plans and expectations. These three tenses form the backbone of our communication about time. This foundation makes learning the other tenses easier. The present continuous tense describes an action happening right now. It can also describe actions happening around now or definite future plans. She is meeting her friend for lunch tomorrow. To form the present continuous, use am, is, are plus verbing. For example, you are learning English now. The past continuous describes an action that was in progress at a specific time in the past. For example, I was watching TV at 8 p.m. last night. The future continuous describes an action that will be in progress at a specific time in the future. For example, I will be relaxing at this time next week. To form the future continuous, use will be plus verbing. He will be working when you call. Continuous tenses show ongoing actions. Is running, was running, will be running. They add a dynamic quality to language, showing actions with duration. Remember, continuous tenses equal sign form of be plus verbing. Present uses am/is/are. Past uses was were, future uses will be. This pattern is consistent and makes continuous tenses easy to identify and construct. The present perfect connects the past with the present. We use it for actions at an unspecified past time that have a result now. For instance, I have lost my keys. The event happened in the past and the result affects me now. Form have has plus past participle. For regular verbs, the past participle equal sign, ed. Irregulars must be learned. Examples: I have walked. She has talked. We have seen that movie. Now the past perfect. The past of the past. We use had plus past participle. The train had left when I arrived. It helps show the order of events: had finished, had started. Simple past, went, got. Past perfect, had left, had finished. The past perfect clarifies which past event happened first. Use past perfect to give background information and depth to your narrative. To form past perfect, had plus past participle for all subjects. She had finished her homework before she went to bed. By the time we got to the cinema, the film had already started. Understanding the sequence between two past events is the key to using the past perfect correctly. Practice these patterns with real examples from your life. The structure is consistent and becomes intuitive with time. The future perfect helps us look into the future and talk about an action that will be completed before a specific time. Imagine it's Monday, and your project is due Friday. By Friday, I will have finished my project. Form, will have plus past participle. The structure doesn't change for different subjects. Example: she will have graduated by next June. By the time you arrive, we will have eaten dinner. It emphasizes completion before a future point. Simple future: I will finish the report. Future perfect: I will have finished the report by 5 p.m. Future perfect provides a point of completion, useful for deadlines and precise communication. It is especially useful for professional and academic writing where clarity about completion matters. Example: in 3 years, we will have completed the initial phase of our research. Practice with by before, by the time phrases to get comfortable with this forward-looking tense. The future perfect gives precision and a sense of accomplishment. The present perfect continuous talks about an action that started in the past and continues now, emphasizing duration. For example, I've been waiting for the bus for 30 minutes. Form, have has plus been plus verbing. Use has for he/she/it and have for other subjects. The ground is wet. The action has recently stopped or has visible result now. It has been raining. Past perfect continuous describes a long action in the past that happened before another past action. Example, I had been working for hours before my boss arrived. It emphasizes duration leading up to the second past event. He was tired because he had been driving all night. They had been waiting for an hour when the bus finally came. Use the past perfect continuous to explain background and reasons for later past events. It clarifies cause and context. This tense is excellent for storytelling and provides depth to your narratives. Practice building timelines and sentences to master it. The future perfect continuous talks about how long an action will have been happening before a future point. Form, will have been plus verbing. Example, by next month I will have been working at this company for 3 years. Use for highlighting duration up to a future deadline. I will have been exercising every day for 7 days. Useful for long-term projects. By project end, we will have been collaborating for over 2 years. Mastering this tense shows advanced proficiency and helps describe duration toward future milestones. Remember, future perfect continuous equal sign, future plus completion plus continuation. One of the most common confusions is simple past versus present perfect. Simple past, action finished with a specific past time. I visited Paris in 2019. Present perfect, experience at an unspecified past time with present relevance. I have visited Paris. Both connect past and present, but present perfect emphasizes result. Present perfect continuous emphasizes duration. I have written 3 emails. Result. I have been writing emails all morning. Duration. Use past continuous for the background action and simple past for the interrupting action. I was watching TV when the phone rang. Think of continuous as the background, simple as the main event. Use will for spontaneous decisions and predictions based on opinion. I think it will rain. Use be going to for pre-planned actions and predictions based on present evidence. Look at those dark clouds. It's going to rain. Making these distinctions will make your English more natural. Practice the example contrasts, past versus present perfect, perfect versus perfect continuous, past continuous versus simple past, will versus be going to. We have journeyed through the 12 main English tenses from simple to perfect continuous. It may seem like a lot, but every rule has clear logic. Start by focusing on one tense at a time. Write your own sentences about your life, your day, your plans. Make it personal. Write about today, present, yesterday, past, and tomorrow, future. Listen and read widely. Movies, songs, podcasts, books. Notice which tenses speakers and writers choose. Ask yourself why a particular tense was used. Active observation builds intuition. Find a language partner or teacher who gives gentle corrections. Do not be afraid to make mistakes. Practice consistently and be patient with yourself. Each correct tense in conversation builds your confidence and strengthens your skills. Keep practicing. You will succeed. Keep this guide as a reference and come back when unsure. Good luck.